I am Indrajit Roy. Today I am going to present some project based on Arduino, ultrasonic sensor and servo motor. So let's see what is my first project. The first project is nothing but one kind of radar system based on Arduino Uno. We can use this project in military, police and detective department. By using this system, we can also measure the size of any object. Okay, so you can see this is my project. Okay, let's see how this project is working. If I place any object in front of this system, then in my laptop screen there is some red light is indicating, it means here is some object. Okay, if I move from here, then in my laptop screen there is no kind of red light. It means there is no kind of object. By using this system, we can also predict the size of this object in front of this system. Okay, this system, we can use this system in military and police and detective department. And another thing is radar can move up to 180 degree. It means we can cover up to 180 degree by this system. After the first project, now let's talk about the second project. This one is also one kind of Arduino based project. By using this system, we can measure the distance of any object. We can use this system in the military sections. We can use this system to rescue our country from our enemies. By using this system, we can easily understand how far our enemy is. This system will help us a lot to understanding the situation of our enemy. Let me show you how this system it works. If I move forward any object, then you can see the indicator is showing the distance of this object, 15, 10, 5 and ultimately 0. By this way, we can easily measure the distance of any object. It means we can easily find out the situation of our enemy. 25 means this is in semi. Okay, 25 semi, 20 semi, 15 semi, 10 semi, 5 semi and 0 semi. Okay, not 0 semi. Okay, it can extend up to kilometer.